Hi ma'am, this is my recording for COISA 014. When I first started this module, I was really hoping to learn some interesting new things that I've never heard of before. Things like how to create CVs, how to use Google Forms for creating new ideas for a business, or even problem solving capability in a business. This module definitely helped me learn new skills that I never knew I could see as useful. In POE 1, I had to get a screenshot of a job advertisement for my ideal job position, including the field of the job as well. For this, I used the WeBuyCars job advertisement, which I think describes my field of job well, as I'm a big car fanatic. Next, I needed to compile a CV covering the requirements outlined in the job posting. This helped me to also increase my skills on compiling a CV. Lastly, in POE 1, I discussed how I would prepare and set up for an online interview. In POE 2, I needed to create a Google form for an existing product or my own product. I chose to create my own product called Turn Up Energy Drink. The Google form consisted of 3 questions which people need to fill in after getting enough feedback. After getting enough feedback on the form, I needed to create Excel tables to show the data in percentage form and graphs to show the data in graph form. In the introduction, body and conclusion, I summarized the data and what I found is going to be best for Turn Up Energy Drink. In POE 3, I had to do multiple things related to the theory of Turn Up Energy Drink. I had to compile a business concept or idea, the problem-solving capability of my product, solutions to potential changes, manufacturing, the marketing strategy, the financial overview of the first 3 months, and business decisions. This helped me to finalize some of the theory for Turn Up Energy Drink. In POE 4, the last bit of theory comes in. I needed to finalize product name, which I decided on Turn Up Energy Drink. I needed to compile the product description and uses, 5 steps to compile a product portfolio, the platforms that I'll use, the target audience, goals, concept approach, social media content, and hashtags. The portfolio was about us creating our own product or service or using an existing product or service and looking further into it. What I mean by looking further into it is that we looked into the product design, target market goals, and more in more detail. I've learned from this portfolio that I can do a lot of things with my creative thinking skills now that it is improved. This portfolio definitely improved my creative thinking skills that weren't great before starting this portfolio. I also learned that there are many different forms of doing research and referencing. My referencing skills is another skill that improved a lot after doing the portfolio. Overall, many of my skills improved a lot over the portfolio.